today's video, I'm going to show you how you can install FydeOS on VMware on your Windows computer. So, if you don't know what FydeOS is, it's a Chromium-based operating system, Chromium OS-based operating system. And VMware, well, it's a virtual machine, just like VirtualBox, all that stuff. And I'm going to be showing you guys how you can install FydeOS on VMware today. So, yeah, let's get started with the video. Well, you want to go to the official FydeOS website, which is FydeOS.io right here. After that, you click on downloads, you click FydeOS for VMware, and you can see there's 3 downloads. Click any one you want, it's the exact same thing. I recommend you click mirror to FydeOS.io because it's the quickest. So yes, after you've done that, you'll need to download VMware. So go to the official VMware website and click download for free. Next, if I go open my file explorer, you can see right here VMware player and FydeOS VMware the .ova file. So the first thing that we want to do is install VMware. So double click on the VMware.exe file, click yes. Okay, so after that, you just got to be patient and wait for the wizard to open up, the setup wizard. So just got to be patient and you just got to wait. There we go. And just click next. I accept, next. And then after you've done that, you can just go ahead and click next. And then just go ahead and click next and next, and then just click install. Now after this, as you can see, it'll show you the status and everything. As you can see, it's pretty fast. I'm just gonna go speed this part up anyways. And as you can see, after it's done, just click on finish, and VMware is now installed. After that, you want to go to your downloads and find the FydeOS .ova file, double click on it, and then just go click continue, click finish. And then as you can see, it'll say this, create a name for the virtual machine. I'm just going to go call it FydeOS. So after you've done that, just click import. So I'm just gonna take my mouse, click import. So you can see it's importing FydeOS. This will take like, I don't know, 15 seconds. I'll just speed this part up. So that definitely took way longer than 15 seconds. But as you can see, we're already booted up in here. You can obviously change some settings, the RAM, all that stuff, just go stop it. But yeah, now just click full screen for the best experience. And as you can see, there we go. And I'm just gonna click OK. So after that, the next step is to go into settings and then just go ahead and search up resolution. And then after that, change the resolution to match your display. So I think mine's right here is 1920 by 1820. Yep, that's correct. Confirm. And then after that, it'll give you a notification. Just click on it, and it'll activate the Android subsystem. This is how you get Google Play Store, by the way. Just click I agree, click launch. This thing will load up. It's just basically an agreement and stuff, but I already read it, so yeah. It'll take a while to launch. I'll just speed this part up. And there we go. I did not actually have to speed that part up because it was super quick. Now the next step to get Google Play Store. Okay, it's installing Cool APK now. Yeah, it also has to install this thing called Cool APK. I'm not exactly sure what is Cool APK, but it just does this thing and it'll just install Cool APK right there. And as you can see, it says it may take 1 minute to finish. It's already at 100%. Okay, here we go. So now if we go here, we should be able to see Cool APK. There we go. Now the next thing is to install on Google Play Store is click the Store button, and then go click on Made by FydeOS. Click Configure Open G Apps. Click Add to FydeOS. Click Add App, and as you can see, it's now installing right down here. Now after you've done that, the next step is, yeah, I know it's a long time, but just go back here into your, I guess you could call it launcher, click Configure OpenG Apps, click I agree again, click Next, and then after that, just click Install, click Next, click Install, click OK, and as you can see, it's now installing. This will take a little while, I'm just going to say, so I'm just going to go speed this part up. My passcode, and there we go. So now you won't have Google Play Store. Just gotta go click here, open the Android subsystem, just like that, and then Google Play Store will be already on the shelf. So just gotta wait. You can see Google Play Stores are now there. So now if we open that up, as you can see, Google Play Store is now going to be working. As you can see, it can load, you can sign in, install your apps, and everything. So as you can see in here, right, the storage is 50.3 gigs available. And as you can see, okay, well, apparently the default search engine on this is Microsoft Bing. Go change that later if you want to. And this is Chromium browser. It's an open source version of Google Chrome. And basically that's it. And if you want to shut this FydeOS device down, okay, well, this is a little bit lagging right now, but you can see to shut this device down. Oh, okay, so you can see Google Play Store is updating the Play support libraries. Just wait until all of this is done. And then if you want to shut or sign this device down, this is a restart icon. You can click any of these icons, you can sign out. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure to leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!